show you the power of the Purple Blaster. There's products out there in the market that are dedicated to just remove one little thing on your boat, which is called black streaking. So you see the boat has the black streaks. I grab the Purple Blaster, just take a shot at the black streaks that are so difficult to get rid of, and let's see what happens. And put it down here. Just let it sit there. Let me grab a brush. Here we got a brush. And let me see how I can do it holding the camera and not falling in the water. Oh, there you go. Voila. Here's your black streaking. It's gone. Let me show you the rest. Black streak is gone. All done by the Purple Blaster. And now let's just rinse it. And there you have it. 0 streaks. All done with a Purple Blaster. Purple Blaster is not only limited to black streaks. You can clean your live wells, you can clean your bait storages, you can clean the bilge, you can clean the canvases that go on the boat, which I just finished doing in an earlier video. I have them laying out getting sun, and that's it.